Today I will tell you how to change the pump drive of a Samsung washing machine, step by step. This is the indication that you will find displayed on the control panel, which provides essential information for the operation. The washing machine is locked, the lock icon is on, so I can't open it for now, which is why we'll start by draining the water. It has been pumping poorly. I took it apart and realized that the impeller is loose. I just bought a new one. We will be carefully installing. The washing machine has been turned upside down, and we remove the lower protective cover. Right in front of us is the pump. To remove it, it is necessary to disconnect two wires, remembering which protection to remove where. Here are the wires that you need to connect, and after you have done that, the next component you will see is the pump, which is essential for the system's operation. And here, there are 3 bolts that are currently in place and securely attached to the pump and the volute. We carefully unscrew the component. After that, by gently pulling on the pump mechanism, we proceed to remove the drive assembly. Here, you can see the normal coil and the winding. I thoroughly checked it and conducted a series of tests to ensure its functionality and reliability. The process was meticulous, ensuring that every step was followed precisely to avoid any potential issues. A good but very significantly and extensively damaged flywheel of the impeller. He doesn't understand it, so we had to install a new one. It is completely identical, just a slightly different color. Now it is very important for all the screws to be properly aligned, and after that carefully tighten them with 3 bolts. Screws. The main thing is there are no distortions anywhere, and it fits snugly into its place. It fits well with a slight tension. The new rubber is still in place. We need to check that the seating area is clean. After you have completed the previous steps, the next thing you need to do is to make sure that you tighten it properly. This is crucial, because if it is not tightened correctly, it could lead to issues later on. Ensure that you use the appropriate tools and follow the guidelines carefully to achieve the best results.
Self-tapping screws. To ensure that the object is securely fastened, I make sure to tighten it evenly and consistently, applying equal pressure on all sides. This method helps to prevent any potential damage or misalignment.
And don't forget the one at the back, because it will definitely leak if you don't absolutely tighten it. It's not necessary to remove the snail. The main thing is to check the filter there, so that it is not clogged, and there are no unnecessary deposits. Carefully tighten all the self-tapping screws one by one, making sure each screw is properly aligned and fully inserted. Then proceed to connect the wires, ensuring each connection is secure and there are no loose ends. Once the wires are connected, install the wire protection by placing the protective cover over the wires and securing it in place. Double-check all connections and fastenings to ensure everything is properly installed and secure. Of course, a standard one will do. Probably it's thicker here, but it can work without protection. Let it work that way. The main thing is that it works. This is how you can replace the pump without disassembling or removing the impeller and snail from the washing machine.